Alright guys, pool weather's almost here. Outside, I figured get one of these radios, we'll try it out. It's nice to have a music going or something working. It's battery powered and you can plug it in, I believe. I have another one, the pack out one. I think it will charge your batteries too, but it's like 400 bucks. This is half that price, so figure I get it, we might as well unbox it. See how it is. I'll see if I can play the radio. It's hard for me to play things because YouTube don't like that, and then whoever song you play, they want part of your money or all your money if you get any money for the video. You know. There she is. Alright, what do you get? The standard paperwork. Boom. I believe this little box should be the power cord, most likely. No. Alright, yeah, it's got like a, what do you call it? A big old trunking cord. Alright. I got a battery. Bunch of sawdust on it. Oh. So take some AA batteries in here too. Must have a clock or something. Oh, it has a clock. Alright, so that's pretty neat. Has a clock. Takes AA batteries in the back. There's a little screw port that you can plug into. As soon as you plug the battery in, there she is. Power on. It's got a radio. Let's see, the Bluetooth, FM, AM, I think is, no, FM is what you want to listen to. Surely this doesn't charge your phone up here, does it? I don't think so. There's a tray up here where you can set your phone. Got some nice handles. Got a lightning link on the side and a charge port thing. Doesn't weigh too much. I don't know what any of that means. You got presets, Bluetooth, AM, FM, cosplay. I hold that down.
You go there, you don't quite get that, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Alright. It's a quick video. That's what you get. Got your antenna, little antenna, battery. Doesn't come with a battery. Right here's, unscrew that, put your AA's, so I guess it keeps your time. What time it is, your presets most likely. Doesn't weigh too much. Feels pretty hardy. Speakers look good. I've played it with some music before at the store, and it does sound pretty good. It sounds pretty good, so. Yeah, that's it. Just short little video. I doubt that's wireless charging, because it probably would say we could check. Yeah, I ain't gonna bother checking, I'm pretty sure it's not. Which would have been a little bit of a bonus. Yeah. I don't see no wireless charging. Yeah, because it would just said something right here. So, okay. It's got dual tweeters, crisp, something in Spanish and something. Then we got subwoofers, 3.5 inches, more Spanish stuff and something else. AM, FM, Bluetooth, 5.0, 120 foot. That's pretty good, 120 foot range Bluetooth, so. All day run time, we got 13 hours. Wait, no, yeah. Well, it's 5.0 battery at max, and up to 35 hours at 50%. I got like a 12.0 battery, so I could run that thing forever. AC port, and you get your USB-C 3A device charging. Alright, so you can charge stuff off of it. I guess you just gotta plug into it. Alright, so you can't charge. So. Alright. Just a little quick video on that. I got it, figured we'd check it out. And Yeah, you should be able to fit the big battery in there. So I'll catch you guys later.